Hello guys, you're welcome back to our channel. On this video I want to show you how to swap USDC to USDT, any kind of network you want to swap to on SafePal. You know why I'm preparing this video? Because I discovered that so many people, especially newbies, who know that USDT is a stable coin that you see in almost every exchange, whether it's a decentralized exchange or centralized exchanges. But so many of us are like, we see USDC as a strange coin. So a lot of people, when they make money on USDC, they are thinking of, how do I convert? So that's why I'm preparing this video. And more so, you know that recently there's a mining going on SafePal on USDC. So most of the people asking this question are those who already mine. They say, I'm earning in USDC. How do I convert to USDT and all that? So this is why I'm preparing this video. And I'm going to say this before I go on with the video. If you want to join the SafePal mining on USDC, please indicate. So I'm going to guide you. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'll guide you on how to do it so that you can be part of this great opportunity. So what do? You want to convert this. At least, for instance, you can see in this SafePal, look at this USDC wallet. Look at what is here is $10.2. And it's on that Polygon network. You can always swap it. So what do? You click on that part thing. When you click on it, you're going to see, check up here, you're going to see where they say swap. Just click on that swap. When you click on that swap, you see that you already having that USDC Polygon here. Then click inside this place to choose the coin you want to convert to. You click on it. When you click on it, so you can see there are many coins you can convert to. You can convert it to BNB, you can convert it to ordinary Polygon, you can convert it to even TRC7, that's Tron. You can convert it to Bitcoin, to Ethereum, to Solana, and so many of them, to SFS too. You can now convert it to USDT ERC20, which is a Ethereum network, or to USDT TRC20, or anyone. You can convert it to anyone. You can see there are series. Anyone you want to do, you can convert it. Let's assume you want to convert to USDT TRC20. Like this. All you need to do is what? You click on this. Are you seeing it? When you click on it, now remember you can see that you are converting from USDC to USDT. So all you need to do, click at this to change the positioning. Now the one you are converting from, that's where you have the money, where you are sending it. The one goes down. At this moment, you put the amount. Look at where you put the amount. Are you converting everything you have from USDC, or you want to put some? If, for instance, I just want to put, let's say, 2. Are you getting it? Are you seeing it? You need to at least look at what the system is saying. In this case, that's what will determine what you do. The system is saying you need at least 33 USDC to trade this pair. You see it. And so you need to, once you put in, you are going to know exactly the amount that is minimum. Once you have that minimum, you click and swap instantly. The system will call small fee, a small fee that is less than 10 cents, not even, what is 10, not up to 1 cent from your Polygon, because you are using a Polygon network to do this. It will cut up to like 1 cent or so from your Polygon network, a coin, and swap at second place. That's it. So it's very, very simple. And this is one of the things we need to learn. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be part of what we do here. And like I said before, if you want to join the mining going on SafePal, please indicate. And I'm going to guide you much more. We should stop here. Thanks for watching.